Leadership is the art of inspiring others to make a story come true. If you are leading, you are telling a story by definition. Now, I understand it's a bit of a tough ask, right? Storytelling doesn't come naturally to everyone. Not everyone is comfortable speaking in front of an audience. But that's okay. That's okay because that's not actually what storytelling is about. Storytelling isn't about making some grand speech from on high. Not at all. Storytelling is actually about connecting with people. It's about sharing real, authentic moments of our users and communicating a better tomorrow. If we as leaders want to be able to rally our product organizations around a mission, then we simply need to become better storytellers. We need to be able to raise our bar, set our ambitions higher, and find that language that will allow us to communicate a vision and share an idea. What story are you meant to tell? Thank you.